Everyone is spending money on expensive skincare, but this simple rice mask might surprise you. First, take some rice and rinse it well with water. Now boil the rice until it becomes soft. Once it cools down, transfer it to a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Add 1 spoon of honey and mix everything together. Now apply this mask evenly all over your face. The creamy texture feels so soothing on the skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and let your skin absorb all the goodness. Once it dries, gently rinse it off with water. Your skin will look fresh, soft, and naturally glowing. Such a simple DIY, yet it gives your skin that healthy glass skin look. For best results, use this mask 1 to 2 times a week and always do a patch test before trying any DIY skincare.